redis-cli command does more than store a value. With the EX, NX and XX options, you can expire data, prevent overwrites, and build locks, all in a single atomic command. Think of EX as a built-in timer, NX as a guard that prevents stomping an existing key, and XX as an update-only flag. Combining them lets you express intent the server enforces for you. Inside Redis, the existence check and the write happen together as one operation. No other client can slip in between, which is exactly why setNX is safe to use as a lightweight lock. Watch the return values. setNX returns OK the first time, then nil on the second attempt, because the key is already there. setXX flips to nil after we delete the key, proving it only writes when the key exists. When you review a PR, the two biggest red flags are a lock with no expiry. The system can deadlock if the process crashes, and a naked get followed by set instead of a single atomic setNX. Remember, no TTL on a lock equals a potential deadlock, and two separate commands are never as safe as one. Read the return value. Nil is Redis telling you the condition failed.